TW-3 Telemetry Display is a modern, slimline, multifunctional load monitoring device, which is unique to DLM. This innovative design was built with the user in mind. It has a large, high-quality LCD screen which is optimally bonded, removing the need for a backlight and improving clarity in the bright sunlight. This multi-featured unit provides reliable readings while also being simple to operate. It can be used in conjunction with any DLM manufactured load cell. Just look for the D+ symbol on our products. Using the handheld couldn't be easier. To turn the device on, hold down the power button for at least 2 seconds. To access the main menu, select the middle button and you will have options to explore. Some of the features include pairing a load cell, the tare function, the peak hold and the unit button. By pressing the tare button, it will set the display to 0 when it is turned on, and then reset back to raw input when turned off. The tare function will take into account any load applied to the load cell when displaying the overload warning. Our handheld can display various units depending on the type of data being transmitted. By clicking the Units button, you can cycle through each unit, displaying either metric or imperial. More information of the telemetry handheld display can be found in our brochures and website.